This is what we did for literacy on September 16th, 2020. We first reviewed A through P sounds. I said a word like balloon, and the students held up the appropriate letter sound card. So if I say balloon, they will hold up A, B, B card. And then we talked about the days of the week, which was Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Bum, bum. And then we talked about the weather, what the weather was outside, which today was partly cloudy and the sun being hidden. And then we talked about word length. So, for example, Matt has one syllable. Madison has two syllables. And then we talked about onset and rhymes. I asked the student a word, and they would say the ending of the word. So, for example, I would say bye, and the student would say I. Then we talked about Q, R, and S sounds. So we talked about how Q makes the qu sound, how R makes the R sound, how we have to lift our tongue to the roof of our mouths, R, and how S makes the S sound. So then we practice on handwriting each of those letters. So for the Q, we make a circle and then a little dash. A little dash inside the circle to the plane line. And then for the lowercase q, we do a circle again. We touch the road and then go all the way beyond the plane and make a curve. Then we talked about the R, and we basically make a P first, and then we do a slanted line down for capital R. And then for the lowercase r, we start below the road, we go down to the plane, up again, and make a little curve where we're touching the road, but then making a slant. And then S, we talked about how we make a little curve for the capital S at the skyline. We make a little curve toward the road. Then we head back home to the left, touch the plane line, then go up a bit. And then for the lowercase f, we go below the road. We start above the road, but below the road, we curve, then we go back home to the left. We touch the plane line and shoot up. And that's how you make a capital S. And that is what we did during literacy on September 16th, 2020.